This quick review today is about the new for 2022 Hot Wheels kit concept from the show Knight Rider. So the back says, upgraded from the original series classic car, this custom kit has drone technology, bulletproof glass, blah blah blah, ready for any mission. All right, I really like it. I think it's cool looking. Let's get rid of that. All right. So there it is. It's all black. Top is plastic. There's a little kit moniker on the front. Let's see. A lot of it isn't metal. Just some of it. Even this feels plastic here. Man, it'd be cool to take one of these apart. Let's look at the bottom. All right, there you go. This is an interesting design element here, this slot, as if it's meant to go on some sort of trailer or something. I'm not sure what that's about. I've never seen that before in a Hot Wheels car before. That's kind of cool. I love these retro futuristic 80s style wheels. So I got a flashlight, a super bright flashlight. What I'm going to do is shine it into the clear plastic and see if we can see what's up here. All right, here we go. Oh, look at that. All right, all right. So there's some sort of interior. I see it now. There's a dashboard. Looks like seats with some sort of seat belts. Well, there isn't a full interior. That's pretty interesting. The only tampo printing I can see is the kit moniker on the front there. But otherwise, it's not a very detailed car. So pretty cool car. If you're a fan of the show, you probably already have one. If you haven't opened up your blister pack because you were worried about devaluing it or whatever, well, now you don't have to worry about it. I did it for you.